How to fix Snapchat message updating problem. First thing guys, go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps now, all what you want to do is very simple. Just wait a few seconds like this and then scroll all the way down until you find Snapchat. So after you click on the Snapchat, it will take you directly into the app informations page. All what you want to do here is very simple. Click on force stop and then go to the notifications. Make sure that all the notifications are disabled from here. Go back and then click on the permissions. Make sure also that all the permissions are enabled. Go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. And the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store and search for Snapchat right here and make sure to update it into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.